Hey, this is Christopher here at Louisville INFINITI. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our service department and some of our service amenities here. So all of our new Infinitis, starting with the 2023 model year, include up to 3 years of Infiniti Premium Care covered maintenance. So it covers your oil changes, your tire rotations, even items like brake fluid exchange and in-cabin air filter, all the way up to 3 years or 30,000 miles. Louisville INFINITI, we have a huge fleet of courtesy loaner vehicles as well. 33 right now in the courtesy loaner fleet. So a lot of our customers take advantage of that and have a courtesy loaner while their vehicle is getting worked on. We also have a free pickup and delivery service. We'll go out as far as almost 2 hours and drop off one of those courtesy loaner vehicles and bring your vehicle back here to work on it. So just one of the other amenities that we have that makes owning an Infiniti a pleasure.